Hello. If you remember my videos with the Parrot drones, the Bebop and the Bebop 2, you remember this big Skycontroller. This one. I used it a lot on my earlier videos with the Parrot drones. And you know how big this is. Very big, bulky, a little bit heavy, not much. The weight is not a problem, but the size is becoming a problem on this Skycontroller. But it has good things, like the big sticks, the info there here, and we could put, besides the smartphone, a bigger tablets, like for example this big 7.9 inches Samsung Galaxy Tab tablet S2. Just like that, and we can control the drone with a large screen. I don't like small screens, I prefer larger screens. The first reason because I don't see well near, and the second reason I like to watch the videos and images in a bigger screen if I can, to have a better notion of the place we fly and all that stuff. And the Skycontroller comes with this sunshine or sun hood to put around here and to see better the screen, because of the light of the sun, and makes a shadow on the screen. Then I started to fly DJI Phantom 3, and this is the controller of the DJI Phantoms in general, and in Inspire and all that stuff. And we can, besides the smartphone, of course, you can use a big tablet. Just open this and we can put a tablet on it, a big one like that, and it's very nice. And you can use, of course, a sun hood or a sunshade with it. Then after the Skycontroller 1 appeared the second version of the Skycontroller 1, all in black, and then finally they reduced the Skycontroller to this size of this Skycontroller 2, and it have an holder for tablets too. You can use again a big tablet with a sun shades or a sun hood. The problem is this is not well sturdy. It wobbles a lot, but I can use it. And I put this strap and I put that thing that fits all my inventions. Then the mini drones have to be controlled by a controller too, and Parrot came up with this fly pad, and it has a phone holder to put the phone on it and control the mini drones, and you can control the Bebop drones too with it, but no space for a big tablet. Then DJI came up with this Very small controller, but powerful enough to fly the drone far away. The Mavic Pro. But you can fold this and put the smartphone on here. But what the hell is this? How can I put a damn tablet in here? I can't control with a tablet. Why the hell didn't they do a way to put a big tablet on this? Okay, this is to be portable and fast to use and all that stuff, but I want to fly with a tablet on this. Why? Why there is not an option to put a tablet here? Mavic Air, this DJI Spark, the Mavic Platinum, Mavic Pro 2, Mavic 2 Zoom, and so on, have all this small remote, small controller, with no space for a big tablet. Then some Chinese companies came up with many types of holders to put here, and then you can put big tablets, but all of them covers the screen with this screen, the info. So I found at the time on the site this holder V2. There are other versions of this holder, and now I can use it like this. And finally I can use my big tablet like that. And I can use the sun hood too with it. Then after Skycontroller 1, Skycontroller 1 Black Edition, Skycontroller 2, Skycontroller 2 Evo up to Power Edition, Paratonaffi came, and a new Skycontroller, even smaller, of course, came. The Skycontroller 3. Very small, but again the problem of not using a big tablet here. Okay, very portable. You can use a smartphone here, but why not a big tablet? Why? How can I use this here? I can't. So I have searched the eBay, and the only available tablet holder for the Skycontroller 3 was this one until now, when I made this video. And for me it's a piece of crap, because it's not practical. You have to, I'm going to show you, comes in a nice purse, but take a look at this. Okay, this is okay. Can put a big tablet here, but look at this. You have to mount all this stuff. It takes a lot of time and not practical. You have to unscrew these screws. Have to stretch this or whatever, like that. Damaging the Skycontroller 3 like this, I think. I don't know. Then you have to put the screw back again like that. Damn it. And you can lose the screw on the field and you're never gonna find it again. Meanwhile the battery is wasting. Then we have to put this, no, this one first. Wasting battery, not a problem, isn't it? Okay, screw that. And then what the hell is this? Something is missing here or something. I don't know. I have to screw this tight, very tight. Okay, then finally I can use a tablet with the Skycontroller 3. But then, look at this. Crappy. So I unmount it like that. Another waste of battery time. Unscrew that again. Oh, shit. Damaging the Skycontroller holder, the antenna, whatever. Not easy. Okay. You have to unscrew another screw and we are wasting battery. Finally. And then close it and turn it off. And then again I searched eBay further to get another solution for my big tablet. And I found it. Here is the solution. Just this simple printed holder. Okay, works like that. We open this, wasting battery anyways. Put this here like that, this way, and now we just put the tablet in here and we are ready to go. Isn't it nice, this simple solution? And again, we can use it with the sunshade, sun hood, whatever the name of this, and fly happy, the Parrot Anafi. And if you want to buy this, look at my video description. There's the link to buy this tablet holder. They're in many sizes, not this one only. This is made for tablets 7.9 inches, like the Samsung Galaxy Tab and the iPad. But there's he made another holders with another dimensions.